Okay, welcome back to DomTalksTech. We've got a brand new video for you today, fresh straight from after Samsung's Unpacked event just shortly last week. It is a little bit late, but I've just got my hands on the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So I'm going to talk you through them, the unboxing experience, what the device comes with, and all the new features, and also more importantly, whether it's worth upgrading from the original Galaxy Buds that came out last year. So some really exciting news about the channel and a little bit of, I guess, tech video recording talk is that I've also got a new microphone for the channel. So hopefully this microphone is picking up my sound well and sounds a lot better than just my phone microphone. Okay, so here we are, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. They're brand new, they've only just come out from Samsung, and you can purchase them right now on the Samsung store. They're not yet available on Amazon for some reason, but hopefully they will be shortly, so you can buy them there if you choose to do so. So these are the Galaxy Buds Plus, as I've said, and they've got three main differences to the original Galaxy Buds, and I'm just going to talk you through some of the specs now. So one of the main ones is that the buds individually, so just the buds themselves, have 11 hours of battery life, and then the case itself has an additional 11 hours charge, so you can obviously continue to charge them up, and that gives you a total of 22 hours of battery life altogether. It's just short of some of the other competitors on the market, but again, gives you a lot longer battery life than the original Galaxy Buds, which could only push about 15 hours of battery. So it's a really big increase, and Samsung are claiming that's 85% increase from the original Galaxy Buds. Also, the way the Buds do sound is a little bit different to the original Galaxy Buds. So they have two speakers in the actual drums now. They have a woofer and a tweeter, rather than having a combined speaker to give you that sound. So Samsung are claiming they sound slightly better than the original Galaxy Buds. So we'll talk about that just shortly. And then finally, they also have now 3 microphones as opposed to just the 2 in the original Galaxy Buds. There's 2 external microphones to make sure they pick up sound when you're speaking on the phone or anything else. And also there's still that one internal microphone that picks you up your voice from the mouth movements and internal sounds, and obviously gives you that really good ambient sound to let sound come in from the outside world, and make sure you're still aware of your surroundings whilst you're still listening to music and other things on the device. So as I said, this is the box that the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus come in. Very similar to last year's Samsung Galaxy Buds, a nice sheen on the Buds logo there. And if we just go inside, we get the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in the top there, in their case. And it also comes with a range of accessories as well. We've got a USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable. But obviously if you've got loads of these already, you don't really need to use that one, just keep it as a spare. And there's also a load of additional wing tips in here as well, should you decide that the ones that come with it aren't good enough for you and you need to change them to a tighter fit or a bit of a looser fit. Either way, so they're in there for spares. For me, the ones that come with it work perfectly fine. I haven't found that I need to change them to do a different size yet, and they do fit quite snugly in the ears to create that cut, really nice, clean, clean fit in the ears. So obviously the Galaxy Buds Plus come in a retail price in the UK of £159, so slightly more expensive than last year, but again they come with different features. So I'll just show you them in comparison to the original Galaxy Buds. The original Galaxy Buds are these ones on the left here, and the new Galaxy Buds Plus are the ones on the right. Obviously slightly cosmetic changes. The Galaxy Buds Plus, the new ones, have a sort of shiny finish to them. which are actually very nicely pleasing. And again, that is also reflected on the buds themselves, giving a bit more of a nice sheen to them, compared with the original Galaxy Buds from last year, which don't have as much of a sheen. And again, on the case, it's a matte finish as opposed to the shiny glossy finish that we've got on this year's Galaxy Buds Plus. So in terms of sound quality, are these buds going to be a significant jump up from the Galaxy Buds of last year? The answer to that is really no. But are the features on the Galaxy Buds Plus that are different to the Galaxy Buds, and for people who enjoy the latest tech or want the latest device, then it may be a good enough upgrade for you. The Galaxy Buds Plus, as I said, come with a lot longer battery life, so if you're using these on a constant basis, listening to music regularly, then these are really they're a much better option for you, because they last obviously a lot longer. And additionally, those extra features like 3 microphones, if you're calling on the Galaxy Buds Plus, they work a lot better. And the calls I've had with people, they've said that they sound really, really good. And a lot of people have compared them with the AirPods Pro and said that these actually sound better on the phone calls than the AirPods Pro. So as I briefly mentioned there, the way you charge these Galaxy Buds is via the USB-C port that you'll find located on the back of the device. Hopefully you can see that in the camera quality there. And they also come with built-in wireless charging. So all you need to do is set them down on a wireless charger and they'll begin charging straight away. There's a couple of very small changes that Samsung have managed to do, and that is coming with the UI and the app that the Galaxy Buds Plus pair with. So that's the Galaxy Wearable app. As soon as you open the Galaxy Buds Plus, it comes up with a nice animation which shows you the battery percentage of the individual buds themselves, and also this time, which wasn't seen on the Galaxy Buds and may come with the software update, I'm not too sure, show the case percentage, which is really nice because it was frustrating for me with the original Galaxy Buds to never know the actual case percentage, the case battery percentage. I always had to just check via the light on the front of the Galaxy Buds, which wasn't always that accurate, and now I can see exactly how much charge they have and whether I do need to top them up by charging them before I go out. Again, the features that the Galaxy Buds use are very similar. You've got a single tap to play music, a double tap to skip music, forward, a triple tap to go back to the previous track, and there's also, you can change the press and hold options. And there's a new feature that was the press and hold option, which is a Spotify feature. So if you've got your Spotify account linked in with your Samsung account, which quite a lot of people do and have now because Samsung and Spotify have this partnership going on, you can press and hold the one Galaxy Bud that you set as your Spotify option, and it will immediately start your Spotify music straight away without you having to dive into the app at all. That be whether it's whether you're near your phone or away from your phone, you don't have to use your phone straight away. If you've got a Samsung watch like I have here, the Galaxy Watch Active 2, if you pair them to your watch, say if you go into the gym and you don't want to leave your phone, and press that Spotify button on the Galaxy Buds, you can then start your Spotify track from your watch straight away. No need with your phone anywhere near you. So that is quite useful as well. As always, if you're new to the channel, do feel free to subscribe with that bell icon on so you get the notification as soon as I release a new video, bringing you all the latest tech reviews and updates. And also make sure if you enjoyed this video, you give it a like. If you have any questions, do feel free to comment them in the comment section below this video. I'll make sure I reply as soon as possible and give you the advice that you require. And also, I will hopefully be doing a video that breaks down all of Samsung's and PAX event from last week, that gives you the updates on the Galaxy S20, the S20 Ultra and the S20 Plus, and also the amazing Galaxy Z Flip, which Samsung have brought out and is their new second generation foldable device. So stay tuned for that video, which should drop shortly.